Namaskar. My name is Manoj Kharkikar and I am the CEO of Think AI. Firstly, I would like to thank you for taking time out from your busy schedule and also would like to wish you a very happy and a prosperous New Year 2021. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Think AI to you. But before I introduce what Think AI is, let me just give you a brief background as to what exactly we were thinking about when we looked at launching a new company. Over the last decade that I have seen the security industry growing, what we've seen is the emergence of newer and newer technologies, and one of the strongest technology that has come up in the recent past is AI and the benefits that it can give to the customers and to the partners. So when we started thinking about the new company, it had to do something about AI, and everybody associated with us needed to think about AI, and therefore the name Think AI Solutions. In the last couple of decades, security industry has grown in leaps and bounds. It is now almost touching a turnover of $1 billion, and still it is growing at a healthy rate of about 20% CAGR. While this growth is very good, all of us who are associated with the security industry need to understand and be aware about the trends that the industry is showing. First and foremost, there is a marked move from products to productization of services, which basically means that products being sold bundled with the service. The second key trend is that more and more information is now coming on the cloud, and analytics are now becoming more and more relevant, from moving the industry from being reactive to proactive to now predictive. With this in mind, the solutions that we're talking about through Think AI are evolved around video analytics, image analytics, IoT, and the whole ecosystem of sensors and IoT devices which will keep feeding this data into the cloud. While this industry is growing, we would like each and every partner to be able to sell these solutions to the customers, and therefore make the benefits of AI available to the customers as soon as possible. One of the most critical things that is required for this whole thing to become a success is to have a partner who has been known for their innovative approach towards this solution. And who else but Zycom, who can do this because they have a history of getting innovative products and services in the security and surveillance space. It gives me great pleasure to announce a strategic tie-up with Zycom to get these solutions into the market.